Lately I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain.
Everybody, I'm Tawana. Welcome back to my channel. So what I wanted to do with the little mini pochettes, well, the Nolitas, the 19 and the 15, was create like the multi-pochette, like the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette, because as I stated before, that bag runs the multi-pochette accessoire. The all black and gold one is $28.40. So I was trying to make a more affordable version of that one. So what I did was took some of these little rings from Amazon and connected it to the bag so I could connect the two bags together. And this is how it looks. I even had the little chain strap like the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette. And then I've also added a leather strap to it from another Coach bag. So what I'm going to do now is show you guys a couple of my shots with a couple of different straps. So if you just stay tuned, and I'll show you the mine shots. But what I did, if you see here, I just connected the little rings together and connected to the bag. This one, because of the flap, is a little bit further down, so I'm about to try to figure out how to get that one not to droop down so far once you pick the bag up. But overall, it looks cute together. So just stay tuned, and I'm going to show you a couple of my shots of how it looks with the different straps. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, like this video, share, comment down below if you would do this, or if you would just go ahead and spend the $3,000, because you know it's gonna be $3,000 after taxes in it, on the other mini pochettes. And stay tuned for the mine shots.